Good morning everyone. So, we'll be running in Catbalogan. So, pupunta tayo ng Catbalogan ngayon and we'll be meeting some my colleagues, then doon tayo tatakbo. Yo, what's up? So, we're here at Imelda Park. So, inaantay pa natin yung dalawang kasama natin sa pagtakbo ngayon. I'm waiting for Sir Jobert and Sir Aljo. So, they will be joining me. And this morning, in this Friday morning sa run. So, share ko lang. Last month, I checked on my weight. It was 70.5. Yes, 70.5 kilograms. And then last week, I went back to the clinic. And then I checked again on my weight, and it went down from 70.5 to 66.3. So I lost 4.2 kilograms of weight by just running in just 3 months. So that's quite a big achievement for me. So imagine from 70.5 to 66.3. So it's my colleague, Sir Jobert. Ayan na, pare pambulpot yung sapatos. Ito dito. Ano motor? Okay, di mo dito? Sige, kuha ko na ako dito. Pare pa man. Mauli na kami. Magulo na mag-stretching. Stretching man lang naman lanat nga di. That's Sir Aljon. Alright, 1K. Pre. Alright, okay. Pera pa. Basta 2K na kami. 3K. Alright. 4K. Let's go. 5K. 6K. Alright. 7K. 3 to go. Ulan na. 8K plus 2. Isa na lang tayo ngayon kasi sila sir may mga palto sa yung paa. So nag-booking muna sila. Ako naman, I'm gonna finish the 10K. Let's go. 9K, last one. Let's go. 10K, let's go. The 10K run. What's up? So we're done with the Friday morning run. Right now, I'm on my way home. I would just like to remind everyone to celebrate small victories. You always give yourself a tap for doing great things every day. So stay healthy, stay motivated, run with me.